Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. Throughout the design process, one of the most important steps is called layout marking. This stage entails determining the exact placements and dimensions of a variety of design components on a particular area and marking them out. When it comes to the development of designs that are both practical and aesthetically pleasing, SCON Design India Private Limited, a prominent design business in India, is aware of the significance of precise layout marking. Their team of professionals makes use of sophisticated tools and methods to guarantee that each component of the design is implemented appropriately and in the appropriate proportions. SCON Design India Private Limited has firmly established itself as a reliable partner for customers who are searching for great design services because to the company's meticulous attention to detail and unwavering dedication to achieving perfection. They have the experience necessary to design floor plans that are not only practical but also appealing to the eye, and this ability applies to both commercial and residential projects. If you're seeking for a design partner that is capable of delivering exceptional outcomes, SCON Design India Private Limited is the company that you should go with. Thanks for watching.